Given enough eyeballs, all bugs are shallow. This law was formulated by Eric S. Raymond in his book The Cathedral and the Bazaar in 1999. It is named in honor of Linus, the creator of Linux. It is one of those laws that is heralded as a core part of the open source mindset. Fundamentally, the more widely available the source code is for public testing, scrutiny, and experimentation, the more rapidly all forms of bugs will be discovered. You can think of open source code as being available in a bazaar, which is a public marketplace. In contrast, if the code is only available to a few devs in a cathedral model, an inordinate amount of time and energy must be spent hunting for bugs, and even then, only if they align with the business priorities. So what do you do if you are working for an enterprise and the code is only accessible to a few devs? Well, I personally keep a box of extra eyeballs in my closet.